Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well at your home and also following all the protocols of COVID like washing your hands often, covering your mouth while sneezing or coughing, avoiding close contact when greeting people. Today we will discuss about the exercise part of chapter number 2. We have already written all these things. Today we will do the revision work. So let's start. In starting, we will revise few important points like roots. What are roots? These are the organs which gives anchoring to the plant, which absorbs minerals and water for the plant, and it store organic nutrients too. Their type are fibrous roots and taproot. So come to the exercise part now. In fill in the blanks, the fill in parts are highlighted, are bold. Like first, is the ground part of a plant? So answer will be root. For second, root absorb and for the plant, answer will be water and minerals. Neem and people have roots, answer will be tap root. Dash and dash are edible roots, answer will be radish and carrot. In question number 5, mangrove plants have roots, answer will be aerial roots. Moving ahead, let's revise the stem part also. Its function is to support leaves and branches and also to transfer water and solute between the root and leaves. It has many functions. In some plants it store materials. In some plants they are adopted for a specialized function. You have studied about this in chapter. So come to the true and false part. The first question is, carrot and beetroot store food in them. Answer will be true. Beans and rose have fibrous root. Answer will be false. All roots are edible. Answer will be false. Roots do not get sufficient oxygen in marshy areas. That is true. Moving ahead to the tick the correct option part. The root of this plant stores food. There are 4 options given: mango, apple, banana, carrot. Right answer will be carrot. Second question, this plant has a taproot. And there are also 4 options are given: banana, grass, wheat and rose. Answer will be rose. In third question, these plants have breathing roots. So there are also 4 options given: mangrove, apple, neem and peepal. Your answer will be mangrove plants. Coming to the brief questions. The first question is, name the 2 different type of roots. So you all know 2 different types of roots are taproot and fibrous root. Question number 2, give 2 example of plants having fibrous root. Answer will be 2 example of plants having fibrous roots are rice and wheat. Moving ahead to the third question. Why do aerial roots need to come out of the soil? Answer will be, aerial roots need to come out of the soil to get fresh air from the atmosphere. Now there are the long question E part, where you have to draw the shape of taproot and fibrous root. You all can easily make it from the images given in your chapter. You can draw from here also. I hope you are able to solve it by yourself. Moving ahead in question number 2. In what ways is taproot different from the fibrous root? So answer will be, taproot is a single long root with thin roots arising from the base of the stem. There is not the bunch of roots, there are the thin roots which arise from the base of a stem, whereas the fibrous roots are those in which many roots arise from the base of the stem. यू ऑल नो ना दैट फाइब्रस रूट में क्या होता है, लास्ट में एकदम ऐसे बंचेज की तरह रूट्स रहती हैं, बट व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट टैप रूट्स दे आर ऑल रूट्स आर सेपरेटेड, दे आर नॉट मेकिंग एनी बंच देयर. Moving ahead, question number 3. State the two main function of roots. Answer will be, the two main functions of root are absorption and fixation. Question number 4. In what way are the roots of banyan tree and maize special? Your answer will be, the roots of banyan tree and maize give extra support to the plants. That's why they all are special. Now come to the value based question. Rohan saw Ram Manohar, the watchman, cutting a small tree to make a fire to warm himself. He immediately asked him not to do so. Later, he went home and requested his mother to give a blanket to the watchman. The watchman was very happy to get the blanket. He thanked Rohan and promised him that he would not cut any tree. He also promised to check that nobody else does so. सो आप सबको पता होगा कि विंटर टाइम में जब बहुत ठंडी लगती है तो कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं कि पेड़ की टहनियों को, डालियों को काट के उसको जलाते हैं ताकि थोड़ी सी गर्मी हो और वो लोग उसके पास बैठ सकें. तो जो राम मनोहर नाम का वॉचमैन था उसने भी यही किया कि ही वॉज गोइंग टू कट अ ट्री टू टू गेट हिमसेल्फ वार्म. सो इसे ऐसा करता हुआ रोहन ने देख लिया था. सो ही डिसाइडेड कि इंस्टेड ऑफ बर्निंग दैट ब्रांचेज ही विल गिव हिम अ ब्लैंकेट. तो फिर उन्होंने वो अपनी मम्मी के पास गया और उसने कहा कि एक ब्लैंकेट वॉचमैन को दे दीजिए ताकि इस चीज़ की ज़रूरत ना पड़े कि उसे पेड़ वगैरह काटने पड़े. देन जब वॉचमैन को ब्लैंकेट मिला तो बहुत खुश हुआ और उसने रोहन को थैंक यू कहा और प्रॉमिस किया कि आगे से वो कोई भी ट्री को कट नहीं करेगा. और उसने इस चीज़ का ये प्रॉमिस किया कि वो ध्यान रखेगा कि कोई और भी पेड़ों को ना काटे. तो on the basis of this short story there are few questions. What does the above situation tell us about Rohan? ये जो आपने भी स्टोरी पढ़ी जिसमें आपने देखा कि वो वॉचमैन पेड़ को काटने जा रहा था और रोहन उसको नहीं काटने देता है, पेड़ को बचाता है. तो इससे क्या पता चलता है रोहन के बारे में? आंसर विल बी, द above situation tell us that Rohan is eco-friendly. How did he help the watchman? He helped the watchman by giving him a blanket. उसने हेल्प किया कैसे? उसको एक ब्लैंकेट दे के. Third question is, Rohan stopped the watchman from cutting tree. Have you ever done anything similar to save your environment? रोहन ने वॉचमैन को रोका पेड़ को काटने से. क्या आपने कभी कुछ ऐसा किया है? आंसर विल बी येस, आई डू नॉट कट ट्रीज एंड प्रोटेक्ट देम. आप सभी लोग पेड़ को कटने से बचाते हैं ना, उसे कटने नहीं देते ना. तो वी विल राइट द सेम हियर. I hope you all will stay home and stay safe. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take care a lot. Have a great day.